YouTube, what's going on, guys? Patrick here. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Today I want to talk about how Ethereum is absolutely smashing through its previous all-time highs, but more importantly, how I was able to make $60,000 in a couple of days with one XRP trade. That is the price of almost two of these watches, and I thought this was a good investment. In reality, I probably should have just saved the money and bought more XRP because this thing went nuts. Before we get started though, really quick, you guys know if you want to see every single one of the trades that myself and my expert team are entering in real time as soon as I enter these, make sure you check out the first link down below in the description for the cryptocurrency trade alert group. We'll give you every single one of our altcoin trades, every single one of our leverage trades, which, by the way, the altcoins and leverage trades the last few days, weeks, months have been killing it. If you guys want access to that, it is free for 14 days. So you sign up completely free. We're not going to hide anything. We're going to show you every single trade during those 14 days for the free trial. And if it doesn't work for you, you don't like it, whatever it is, you can cancel and you'll avoid getting charged. So it's as simple as that. Can't wait to see you guys in there. A bunch of you guys were in those recent trades with us. I can't wait to see you guys in there if you haven't been. And also make sure to check out my #1 exchange down below in the description as well, Bybit. That's where I do all of my leverage trading, and they are offering a deposit bonus for everybody who signs up using that link. Depending on how much you deposit, you'll get a different deposit bonus. They update it depending on, I'm not sure when you're watching this video, what it's going to be at right now, but either way, they do offer some cool deposit bonuses. I do recommend going ahead and claiming that. But let's start really quick with some Bitcoin, the big one, what everybody talks about first. Then we'll dive into Ethereum. We'll look at XRP. The XRP trade was public, by the way. I made a video, a YouTube video. I shared everything. I told you guys where I bought, what I bought, why I bought. I gave you guys the whole game plan. So anybody who was watching the videos could have participated. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You shouldn't just copy straight up what I'm doing. But I did make it pretty public, and it worked out really, really well. So starting off with Bitcoin, we were in this descending wedge. We had multiple touches of resistance at the top and support at the bottom. We also could have drawn a horizontal line here and made it more of a triangle. Either way, the idea was if we did break below this support, we were going to see a very bearish Bitcoin, which I don't think anybody expected to happen. You shouldn't have expected that to happen. And if we broke above this, when we broke above it is more the correct way of saying it, then we were ready to go for that next leg up. We're currently at a horizontal support of, don't have it drawn, but it's in that $38,000 range. And the main thing we want to watch out for is this all-time high. The all-time high with Bitcoin, in this sort of trading range, let's call it, previously it was doing this. So anything that's not that is sort of a trading range. And altcoins have found their path right now. They found a little bit of room for altcoins to be absolutely blowing up, and you've seen Ethereum break all-time highs. We'll talk about that in a second, but Dogecoin pumping because of Elon Musk. We'll talk about that too. XRP, just a bunch of these small altcoins, just pretty much almost all of them, Cardano, everything has been blowing up, and that's been because of Bitcoin trading a little sideways, getting a little bit of a breather, letting altcoins have their moves. Now, if Bitcoin does break this all-time high, right? If Bitcoin breaks this, then to me, it's going to be another one of those Bitcoin rallies. I expect it to happen at some point, probably in the next 1 to 2 weeks for Bitcoin to have that move. Once it does break the all-time high, then I would be a little more cautious with altcoins because Bitcoin is going to have its next leg up. All the focus is going to be on Bitcoin. Altcoins, their Bitcoin pairing for altcoins might suffer a little bit while Bitcoin does have that move. But that's sort of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Of course, the daily EMA ribbon, we are still well above the ribbon. We could come back down to test at a support. That's obviously 100% possible. We have what was resistance is now support here. A retest at around 34,500, 34,600 would be totally fine. Bitcoin looks bullish right now. That's the main summary. Bitcoin does look bullish right now in the midterm for us to check this all-time high and try to break the all-time high in the next 1 to 2 weeks. If that changes, I will, of course, update you. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you guys are leaving likes in the video so you guys can stay updated with all the videos that we have coming out. But this is Ethereum. Let's go into one that is getting a lot of attention recently because it recently broke its all-time high that it previously had and then came back down, retested the wedge we had drawn, and we had a now having this next leg up. Now, I saw a bunch of people comment on one of the previous YouTube videos where I talked about this, right? We talked about this wedge that Ethereum was in, or we talked about how it was trading within this zone. We talked about the entry points, I talked about my strategy, and I talked about how I didn't expect it to break down. It was more a matter of when is it going to break above. And I saw comments come in that said, unfortunately, they saw the video too late, they weren't able to get in, or they just found the channel, they weren't able to see that video in time, and now it's too late. One, I think Ethereum 5 years from now is going to be way higher than it's at right now. So long term, I think obviously you're fine. Wait for pullbacks, buy in. That's a simple strategy. But make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. I make these videos to make you guys money, right? I'm doing this stuff. It's making me money. I'm doing this to help you guys as well, because there's a lot of shitty information. There's a lot of shitty content, a lot of shitty information just being put out there. I want to give you guys the legitimate stuff that's going to make you money. That's all I care about. All I care about in terms of investment stuff, that making money. So my target for Ethereum up here, if Ethereum can push up to here, is around 1,890. I do have some sells that I would be looking at filling at around 1,890. So it still has quite a little bit of room to go. But mind you, I got Ethereum a long time ago. Ethereum is running in complete profit. I doubled down on Ethereum, entering different positions we have in our trade group that we were posting, Bitcoin, Ethereum positions, just all the time, constantly. And like I said, I doubled down on some spot Ethereum during this range. I didn't expect it to break down. Breaking down just didn't look likely whatsoever. If it did, the whole crypto market would have just completely changed its dynamic. And with all the hype and stuff coming in, I didn't see that happening. It didn't seem like it happened. But it retested what was resistance, became support. Now it's on its next leg up. And Ethereum can easily be worth, you guys see the previous lines we had drawn here for the technical analysis, like way back when Ethereum was $200. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency that should be worth over $2,000. It should be worth over $2,000. It's crazy that it wasn't. It was underpriced here. That's why I was so interested in buying it. And I still think after 2000, it still has a good amount of room to move. But let's go into XRP. XRP, I made this video. Let's see exactly when the date was. I don't remember. December 31st, 2020. So the last day of December, I made a video saying, I'm buying XRP now. Bitcoin hit our exact price target. Obviously, we're pretty accurate. Bitcoin hit the price target, but XRP is the main focus. I zoomed in when I full screened it. I zoomed in. It was 21.5 cents, right? So 0.215 was around about, 0.214 was around about the level that Bitcoin was at when I made that video. We talked about it trading in this breakout pattern, right? That we love to look at. The Bitcoin breakout pattern. Ethereum has these. XRP has it too. You can see I still have that breakout pattern drawn, right? I still have it. It's still in this, it still has a price range between 23 cents and the lows like 21 cents. Still have that set up. Saw the initial breakout, but this is where things got interesting because I've been dollar cost averaging Ethereum every time it comes down to this type of range. 25 cents initial time we take a look, we see multiple times where we had price action here. The 25 cents to 23 cent price range. Next up, we have obviously the 20 cents. And if it ever went below, and I said in the video, if it goes below 20 cents, 18, it could have gone down to 15 and 10. I would have gotten heavy bags of XRP if that were to happen. Now, we can say maybe it was because of the GameStop stuff. Maybe it was because of Dogecoin pumping. Like everybody looking at crypto, XRP is one of the big ones. It's a cheap one. There's a lot of reasons why people jump into XRP. But it went all the way up to 75 cents. I didn't sell at 75 cents. I sold it roughly around 65, 55 cents. I wasn't going to hold it all the way up. Anybody that was, holding XRP here, not taking any profits, if you bought in here, that is not at all the way to make money in this market. I saw the whole mentality around just never sell, hold the bag, hold the bag, hold the bag, never sell, never sell. That's a recipe for losing money. I'm not interested in losing money. I want to make money. So to me, I sold XRP over here. I got a little bit of XRP during this down move over here. I sold it again, roughly around over here. It was a very, very small amount. My idea was to enter here and to dollar cost average it down. Only got a very, very small amount. It wasn't nearly what we made on this run to the upside, which if I take out the price target, let's just say we got in here, we sold, or was it around 55, 65 cents? Yeah, it's 165%. If you guys use any type of leverage on Bybit, 10x leverage, that's a big trade. Like I said, I wasn't even using leverage. I was on spot. I should have used leverage. I didn't. It was a larger amount. So I was kind of dollar cost averaging, playing it without leverage because I didn't know when the breakout was going to happen. I just knew here I wanted to dollar cost average, and I would dollar cost average it down. That's why I wasn't entering any leverage. But right now, XRP to me, it's still a little high. I wanted to get in, here, dollar cost average down. Still waiting for that to happen. There's a lot of hype coming into the crypto market, so it's possible this never comes back down, although it has every other time it pumped. It had this pump, it came down, had another pump, and then finally came down. If it does, I'm going to be ready. If it doesn't, we're going to have to reanalyze and figure out when exactly we're going to be looking at picking up XRP again. But that was $60,000 in profit. This happened, pretty much in one day, right? This happened in the span of, this is a daily candle. It happened 1, 2, 3 days. I guess call it a couple of days. Stupid amount, stupid profit. I saw somebody made 120K though on XRP. He doubled the amount of profit. I thought I did well. This guy did 120K. The crypto market is insane. But Elon Musk has also been all over crypto recently. He put his bio on Twitter was Bitcoin at one time. It used to be like father of Dogecoin. I don't know, it's something about Dogecoin. Then it became Bitcoin. And this guy's on something, and I love it. I need whatever Elon Musk is on, because he's tweeting stuff like Dogecoin is the people's crypto. And he's not wrong. I don't disagree. It has not much use. It has nothing else than it unifies, it unites, and it makes people laugh. He's got a pretty good point with this Dogecoin is the people's crypto thing. But no highs, no lows, only Doge. The only thing I have to say about the Dogecoin is the people's crypto is if you look at percentages of gains, usually the people don't win. Usually institutions win. So if the institutions are not buying Dogecoin, I have a little less interest in buying Dogecoin. I want to buy what institutions are buying, because if anybody's going to manipulate something, it's going to be them to make more money. So I want to be in whatever they're in, so when they manipulate it, I get to make more money. Follow the smart money, do what the smart money does. That's kind of what I do, and just Doge. Got 500,000 likes. Dogecoin's the people's 500,000 likes. No highs, no lows, only Doge. 728,000 likes. I don't know what to say to this, but crazy shit going on in the market. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying it. Altcoins have been blowing up. Bitcoin's been doing decent, recently blowing up. Ethereum, new all-time highs. Make sure to claim your 4 free stocks on Webull if you haven't already. That's going to be linked down below. It should be the 4th link in the description. It's free. You sign up, you create a brokerage account, you open a broker account, you deposit $100, and they give you 4 free stocks valued up to $3,600. That's crazy. By the time you're watching this video, it might have changed what the deal is. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 stocks they give for free. Either way, it is free money. You can sell those stocks, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy cryptos with it. And it's free. It's free money. Like I said, the Bybit, they were giving bonuses, free money. This is giving you free stocks as incentives to sign up. It's a good platform. I use it. It's good. It's safe, at least from everything I've seen. Like I said, I put my money in it. I've used it, so I trust it. It's free money. It's free money. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. We got a lot of really cool content coming out next week. More detailed video maybe about XRP and everything, but make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Hit that thumbs up button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys next week for another video.